Hello trader, Marcelo Torres with TradeWiser with one more video analysis for you guys on Bitcoin. Let's see what is going on. We have some nice stuff coming up, okay? But first of all, reminding you guys that this analysis is already available on all TradeWiser social networks and that it is also available in podcasts. Please follow me right now. Just go down there and just give a click on follow me. It would be very nice to have you guys supporting my initiative. And if this analysis is good for you, please like it and why not share it with your buddy. Okay. And reminding you guys that this analysis is just educational analysis. It's just my opinion, okay, that I'm sharing with you guys, and hope you guys will make some comments in order for us to get deeper and figure out what is going on with Bitcoin. All right. Okay, here we start now. We are on the fear and greed index chart. It was 41 yesterday. Now it is 43. Maybe it's because yesterday night it just got a pump and started going up. So let's see how the chart looks like. Here it is, the chart. As you guys can see, it touched the support line on the bottom, and now it is moving upwards again. And the way things are moving up and breaking some resistance and downtrend line, we might see this guy over this resistance line somewhere right here. Okay, let's move again. Here we are. Bitcoin world or cryptocurrency world seems to be positive today. Let's see how it is in terms of numbers. Let's use Binance as a balance for that. Right now we have 418 positive pairs doing some business. If you trade with BTC, there are 98 pairs. Earlier, there were like 10 more. So look like it's going down. And when we look with USDT, which is a tether, we have 88 pairs, which was higher, almost 20. Okay, we are starting to get kind of negative, and let's see how it is moving on the negative side. So it's 426 against 384 pairs, and let's see how this looks like on the positive move. I just clicked here by accident. Here we go. BTC, we have 90 pairs going negative, and some of these pairs are just moving down due to the fact that they already arrived their their highest point. Okay, so if we go with the USDT as well, we have 70. So it's more like positive than negative, but of course the positive moves might already been touching the the maximum of their height, and they are ready for reversals. That's why we might see some positive, some last previous positive moves going now negative. Okay, here we go with the 30-minute chart. I just want to show you guys that I cleaned this whole thing up, so now it's cleaner in order for us to figure out what is going on. As expected, prices were coming from the bottom, moving up. It got in the channel, and the expectation was to see it moving up. So there it is. It is moving up. So we measure the size of this, the spread of the actually. Sorry for that. It is. Let me go back here. Let's move back. Now that I saw here, I tried to make it clear, and I ended up moving this line, and I shouldn't have done it. So I'm just gonna go back here. Here we go. This line is right here. This is a measurement that we have. So let me clean it up and and duplicate it here. Let's duplicate this line, this arrow. Here you go, and move it to the break point. the breakout point. Here we go. So now we could expect prices to reach the top of the blue channel, which is something we could expect. It is 900 and 9582, almost 9600, which is a nice expectation. $300 above the level we are right now. But as you can see, the prices it going with a correction right now, and I've been saying this for a while. We have to see higher tops on the indicators because it is not doing that. Only the spread price, the other ones are not doing it. But no big deal, because I see that it is willing to go up. See, we have a stronger uptrend, uh, positive volume wave. So now it's going under correction. We should wish to see a negative volume wave, not so deep as the previous one. And if this is true, this means that we are going up, man. We are going up. I just saw here a new trend line, a uptrend line. Let me put it right here because this is our reference. We can't go lower than that. Otherwise, Houston, we will have a problem. Okay. So let's keep our eyes on this move right here. Looks nice, huh? We were inside a symmetrical triangle. Okay. So there are two actually. Now I understand why I got that wrong arrow. It wasn't wrong. It was right because we have two moves here. We have this move coming from the move inside the blue arrow, the blue channel, which formed with the red channel a big symmetrical triangle. That's why I had that one here. Okay, now I remember. See, I'm going to show you guys the triangle in just a few minutes. Hold on. So now that we have this breakout right here, let me put it on the same level. So our huge expectation is to go something like 9,700. It's going to be tougher for that, but it's true. This is a symmetrical triangle. See, look, I'm just going to draw it right here for you guys. Look, this is a symmetrical triangle. See, it is going up, and we can move this more to the left side, to the right side. This is a symmetrical triangle. See, this is where the blue arrow came from. So I waited for it to touch there, and now it is going nice. And it came from under, so it got in the symmetrical triangle, and the expectation is to see it go up, and it is doing that move. So there's a lot of promising moves to go on. All right. So let's see how that is gonna work for us. But let's move to the 1 hour chart where we have more detail. It's the same thing, but less with less higher moves. And as you guys can see, we have to break two interesting lines. This, we are trying to break out. We are at a support zone right now, resistance zone right now. See, it is having some hard time to go over it. Let me draw it for you guys right here. Here you go. So we have to cross that. And as soon as we cross it, we have a next one right here at 37, actually 93.74 or 9400. Let's see how that's going to work out for us. And if it does go through, it's going to have to break the 9400 actual level, which is a downtrend line. It's going to be a tough move when we reach around 93.75, something like that. After that, we're going to see this Bitcoin moving hard. And if it does move nice, then we are okay. But for now, we could expect a correction, and we have some signs here. See, if we check these right side bars, we see that we have some reversal happening on the volume wave, on the stochastic. Here, look, volume wave right here on the stochastic, on the pivot for stochastic on the money pressure, and we might see something going on soon the on the buy sell trend here. Okay, but it looked like it's going to be a a regular move. No big deal. We should expect that, because in order for it to get up to higher highs, we have to go through this move. Okay, I'm just putting that trend line here. So there's a lot going on. The thing is, you have to try to figure out where the chicken is going to move in order for you to uh, try to hold it on a even a closer place. Okay, so let's see now what we have on the 1 hour chart. Here we go. Actually, on the 4 hour chart. Here we go. It's the most important one. As you can see, we have the same figures, but this is kind of a bigger move. So we are getting into a huge challenge right here, which is break over this downtrend line, okay, which is the red downtrend channel. There's a lot of room on the indicators, and the indicators are saying, yes, we are going up. This is nice. This is neat. The problem is it's getting tougher to move up. Okay, so we have to see how this move is going to go in the next few hours. All right, this is the big challenge for us right now. So let's keep our keen eye right here on the 4 hour chart. Let's see what else we have. We have room to move up. We are moving positive. We have volume supporting this move. We have higher highs on the first positive wave for the volume wave, for instance. It is having higher highs. These are very good sign, very good stuff. But we still have a lot of challenges today. So it looked like the market is preferred to go with the ups and downs today, which 300 it's gonna like a $50, $100 a spread for today. It looks like it's easier, and we have to keep a keen eye on the regular stock market, because it was going up and now it's going down, and it's usual, right? When I consider UTC -3 or Brazil time, now it's noon, lunchtime. So it's time that the markets start to settling down a little bit, and then it will only come back and a sharp move something around 3 p.m., which will be 1 a.m. UTC -3 time. Okay. What else do we have? Let's move then for the daily chart. I was expecting to see this price move going on the arc that I draw right here, but it looks like it doesn't want to follow. It would be a huge surprise if it does follow this arc right here. So I don't think it's going to happen anymore. We have a uptrend line, a black one right there. So this is the expectation for the move. We are on the daily chart. We have expectation. We are trying right now to break again the 9,300 level, which is a tough level. After that, only 9,400, as I said previously. We have some interesting things. Prices are moving down while the volume moving down as well. So there's no surprise. Everything is going according to the expectations. Okay. What we need to see are new highs that right now are having a very tough time to break out these resistance and downtrend lines. Okay, but if that happens, okay, we might see Bitcoin again. First, it would go around, like I said, 9,400. After that, the very intermediate level would be 95.50. After that, it would be 9,700. After that, We have a huge resistance on 9,700. So if it goes way over that, it's going to be a surprise. At least it can go. It can go with the pump and come back. All right, but I don't think we will see soon a sharp and strong move after 95 or 9,600. Okay, that is my opinion. We are still working inside that zone that I told you, which is 8,500 and 10,000, according to some whales. That's the zone that it wants to move. And on the monthly chart, we are moving sideways. Okay, that is what I have for today. Hopefully, you guys have a similar opinion or not. If not, leave your comments. Okay, I appreciate you guys watching this video. Please like it. Please support me. Please follow me. All right. That's it, folks. With this analysis on hand and with the promising hires, now it is showtime. Take care.